good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Yes, so good evening. No. Yes, but Mr. TV in the house. Good evening. I'm late. Forgive me. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. No. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. No. I late. I love the children now. They need to sleep before I come out. Good evening. Good evening. So today we're talking about Ozma Mama. Yes, so our topic today na Ozma Mama matter. Ozma Mama, you're different. So now, good evening. I been want play music, but no time. More your quick one, sharp. Good evening. So our topic na Ozma Mama matter. Ozma Mama wahala. Ozma Mama get wahala. For me, I don't think so. So the first one say, our Ozma Mama don't like her. Sister, fine. And they say Ozma Mama will not just like wife. You know you like your wife. You picking wife at all. It just but that not me say you will be the woman. May you not give her the respect because they don't like you. So yours the wife, the woman where you supposed me you picking marry. Picking can't go that go marry another one. You not go like that one where picking carry come. And that one where picking for be one marry. That to say picking marry that one for the BTU. He no understand say now what he picking like. Now he picking marry. He no want even know. He no understand. He no your care. The one we can't dey ask now, he not can't just even though he greet you, he not the answer. Even if children say grandchildren, he not even like them. Sometimes you go come house, you don't come on bread when they buy. On the last way they see bread, can't give grandchildren. He not the buy. But that not me say you not go respect your husband, mama. If you will be woman, if you not feel respect your husband, mama, that means you not feel respect your mother. No matter what your husband, mama go do you. No matter what your husband mama go do you, you must still respect your husband mama. Because if you not respect your husband mama, your pikin still they come go see marry, not go see respect you. Na just normal. Even wetin my husband mama go do you, make do wetin you want worse. No hate your husband mother. Na so you see be for some men. No hate your wife, mama or papa. Because you tomorrow you go your pikin go see marry. Because if you hate them, they go see hate you. You feel just say, yeah, my mama don't like me. I beg me, you know, somewhere else they're not going to call their mama for 1 year. Sister, it's not good. It's that's what it's before the men. They're not going to call their woman will give you wife. Woman will give you husband, pikin, say marry. You not go carry phone. Call her for 1 whole year. Say, you buy your papa, your body be. So no your care. And you remember, say, you don't get to get pikin. Yeah, they will still do it to you. If they still do it to you, may you not still complain. Husband mama not be wetin person dey throw away. Mother-in-law not be wetin person dey throw away. Because na him born the pikin wey you marry, na him born the wife wey you get, na him born the husband wey you put for house. Over na gather dey house. Husband mama not be wetin person dey neglect. Not be wetin person say I not go call Iye. Cause if that woman not born that pikin, you not go see and say you want marry her. If that man not born that pikin, you not go see and say you want marry her. If good must dey respect husband mama, husband papa, our father-in-law. Our mother-in-law, that respect supposed dey. Because if not be the way bring the pikin come out you for not see her. First, so you your day for this country, especially this Europe, your day so. Or where the pikin woman where I see my pikin marry my pikin because of that one now. the woman wey your pikin come marry, because your pikin say you wait want me your pikin marry Joy, your pikin come go marry Vivian. That Vivian wey your pikin come marry, not your big human being again. Iye that kind thing not still good. So our husband mother for here, the way they sit they behave, e not good at all, especially for this country where we just dey so. E just dey so say David man, but that one no mean say me you not give your husband mama respect. So if some women say if you just even see themselves, they are even the way they even take dread do, especially for this country where we just dey so. Even the woman say where they dey, where we are film, but then we are this woman they hail and we try. But that not me say me you not respect your husband mama. That not me say me you not call your husband mama. That not me say if you still get something, may you not say back go give husband mama. No matter what, if you not respect your husband mama, pikin see the coin not go respect you. Now they quarrel put now. Tomorrow now you go see the quarrel. You go see that husband mama shoe. That what your husband mama beer that time. You see the coin see beer. Say my husband mama. I know they greet her. Your pikin wife see the coin, no go still greet you. Make that time you go see the feed the pain. Some women you they don't get only one pikin. That one pikin go you be like egg. But you will be the woman. You just come. You just take that man, that pikin come up from that woman hand. Then you come to make that woman they happy. Tomorrow pikin see they can't do you. Whether you born for the marriage, whether you not born for the marriage, husband mama not be waiting person they do bad. That's why it still be for husband mama. That's why it be for mother-in-law and the father-in-law. Not be waiting that they do bad at all. I know say many people not go like this. Many people not go like this one when me just they talk so. But husband mama not be waiting that they do bad because he go reach your turn. He go reach your turn. Emotionally reach your turn. So when you they pray, make their husband mama die before they marry. Sister brother, if you pray, make your husband mama die before they marry. You the same thing go still come to you. Go still die before your pikin go still marry. They not the lie put. Not be lie. I see that I was somewhere if you no one marry woman we get husband mama. You should not one man marry man where your girl's mama with girl's mama. But pikin go sit or pray for you say I don't see one make my see girl's mama. Now if you pray for mama to die, my dear sister, you go see this your tongue. Where be say pikin go see they pray for you make you die. So the best thing, not hate anybody. Do your best and leave the rest for God. I say I dey go to church, but I believe say God did. For my life, I know they go, but I know say God did. If you treat your husband mama bad, I beg when I share this video, I beg. If you still treat your husband mama bad, pikin go see they come they treat you bad. Husband mama not be waiting person this. Don't be waiting you woman supposed to treat bad. Husband papa not be waiting woman. So husband mother-in-law, man wey still marry wife and mother-in-law they corner. Brother, still take care of your wife papa. Take care of your wife mama because now they still bring the pikin come and where you still marry. If they not bring and come and where you marry, you not go see and marry. We know say some know you're good though. So know you're good because they know you want make that man marry their pikin because of that one. If that man call they not they carry for, but that not see me make you stop say you know what they call them. That not me make you stop say you not go they call them. Try your best because tomorrow see they go see happen to you. It go see happen to you. It must surely happen to you unless you're not born. If you know you get pikin, you're not born, you don't want born, no problem. You can kill your husband mama, you can bury her. But if you say you don't get pikin, you don't dey born. Husband mama not be waiting person they beat. Father-in-law, mother-in-law not be waiting person they beat. We know say most of them they know you're good. Most of them you're they say because they say they marry this one, you not marry this one, because they marry the other one. Just because they go marry the other one now. So just still there. Month go your end, they go your the depends on you still there. You carry and coin still there. You know as the euro still be. You see they say may your pikin month more end your pikin more bring something come for you. Iye where is in bag more. Man understand. The man is in no beer. Or if you see get, give your mama. Especially when I get mama or like me now me no get mother. But if you know say you get mama, give your mama as your mama they alive. Make it eat. Whether you marry, you not marry, give your mama. Brother will still marry wife for house. I beg. Let your wife they give your mama food as your mama they alive. Not be when your mama will come die. Not be when your mama will come they die before you say you can't give her food. Give your mama food. Husband, women wait they marry husband mama. Twins they fine, thank you. Sarah the best. I know. I greet you, sister. So grieve. Thank you. Give your husband mama food as your mama dey alive. Give am food make e eat, because if that woman don die, na die to say my husband mama dey alive now, or if my mother dey alive, abeg make we dey support our husband mama. For my own good though, my husband mama, if I call her na I no get so thing like, they go see say I babene, I dey come, I'll call you back. Before you know, you go say take 50 euro, give me your poster. I go give my husband mama, get my poster. I know say all not be the same, but e good, e not good. No matter what, if you just say, see, wait your pikin do, then your pikin go join. Even though you join that pikin, sister, no quarrel, no vex. Leave everything for God. No use that eye, say maybe you go report to her, you join pikin, you can't use that by eye, they look at no. Because it go see happen to you tomorrow. Now you pikin now, no matter what. E no fit just leave you now, can't go they follow you, they beat pikin. It's not that possible. If you just do that for you front, but he back. Oh yeah, no. Not because of that one, say he join the pikin. May you come the vet for your husband, mama. Sister, if you hear they come your house, open door for her, make it enter. Because they don't see they go, they don't at the same person if person they hold. Especially if women they don't they hold, they'll call the be like small pikin. Yes, sometimes I make your mind, a woman wey don't see they go 60, go 70, go 50 something. Not be see small pikin. No matter what, just take her as your mama. The way you take your mama, use her take your husband mama. Because if you can't look at her, now the woman that you born the man where you marry. No matter what, if you know say you know they treat your mama, you they beat your mama. If you beat your husband mama, oh, woman when they beat your mama, you get her to beat your husband mama because character not yours. Then make you they beat your husband mama. Let me say beat your mama. If you best way if you beat your mama, you go fit beat your husband mama. But no matter what, husband mama, father-in-law, mother-in-law, I beg, me would they use that until they carry them when they alive. Not be when you go come down and say, hey, Jemmy, we Jemmy go. And so you want to go kill them. Egbe we do mona rabo say you we na ragbo when you marry ne. But Egbe will come call you now, you come sit down. You come fly, go Africa now, you go do what you not supposed to. Or the one we there, you will come say that yeah, they want to. As they alive, give us mama food, make it because pikin go still do for you, eh? Your wife pikin go still, whether you born girl, you not born girl, you born boy, you not born boy, or say gbe wa no. You must surely reach your tongue one day. You start with send me message, husband mama. I don't even want whether they're good, they're not good though. I mean no memo borrow not by na good this side, but no matter what, use better hand take carry your husband mama. The one way you take carry your mama, use and carry your husband mama. Brother, so it still be. Use hand way you take carry your mother, use and carry your mother-in-law. They not get the one way they want to wait. Agbinya no ka agboka ni nya ever you not go beat corn for nya, you know carry nya give beat any name I know they call am all and food that they call am. I beg, brother, sister, make we respect us mama. Make we give us mama food shop. Us mama not be waiting person they throw away. Mother-in-law not be waiting person they throw away. We need to still give them food eat. No matter what the woman go do, e no keep person no matter. E just say e no want make you marry a pikin, but if pikin go still marry you, you see they happy. Say pikin still marry you. So you they call their mama. She say as it dey be for men, I say it be for women. Now you have to go na mama, na no go your call. Just because say mama say me you no marry the woman wey you supposed to marry. Na your mama o, oga for my body I marry o. If he fall for your hand, you not go see her pick again. No, he not there. You see some people that want this to say I get mama now, but you will get her now. Hold on, way. If you get mother-in-law, or your mother-in-law, way. If he fall for your hand, you not go see her. Something is still the way your mama not fit do. Your mother-in-law go still do it for you. Fine, not be all, but some just still the way go say, now this my pikin wife. You go nowhere. This like anywhere you go, I go follow and go. It dey happen. Respect your husband mama. Father, brother, respect your mother-in-law. No matter what they go do you. No matter say you they call them, they not they carry. Keep on calling. Do your best because of tomorrow, because it go see short soon. No. 20 years don't reach your pikin go see marry. You surprise your pikin go just see buff you. You not go mind you call, you go they call, you know you go they call and say you not go they carry your phone. Now what you do your mama? Now what you do your mother-in-law? Now what you do your father-in-law? Now what you that just the same thing. Now they happen to you. Husband, mama, I beg. May we use and they carry them. I not come here, come insult anybody. I not come here, come say husband. No. Metie boni joma. Awa. Obi na vevoma. Respect your husband, mama. It's very, very important. Respect your husband, papa. It's very, very important. Respect your mother-in-law. Respect your father-in-law. Because of tomorrow. Because you should get children. They go see grow. They go see marry. Tomorrow go see come. They go see reach your turn. So, we'll go number 2. This one say, if papa not pay school fees, papa not manage when he dey Africa. But now, he don't enter here. If papa they say, make he bring money, make he dey send money for him. And if papa get another wife, now if papa drive him mama come up for husband house, I will want one. That matter very strong. But for me, oh, for me, oh, papa not your train me. I know they had my own. Me, I did 16 years when I know my father. If he dey here, me they watch me. I know say I know they lie. Sister, if it be like that, that matter very strong for me to answer. Me not go fit give. I don't know I want to talk. Me tell the train another woman. Me I don't know that one why you take be. If you get good, now your papa, no matter what, give her. Give her. Now man, I go judge him. Yes. Give her. Make it shop. Let her shop. If you get, give your papa. No reason I say not train you. Let bygone be bygone. Leave everything for God. No only reason I say he not put you for school. Good evening. No reason I say he not buy you pants. No reason I say you don't know. Since you know say na your papa do for him. Because you still get pikin. Where you go come still do for you. Now you make on nowadays, whether papa or no papa, we suppose that they carry our pikin because of tomorrow. The God not the way papa live for, but nowadays most of the men don't even want to leave their children again. But your papa leave you, your papa not pay your school fees, your papa not do anything. But like your papa bring you call this life. If not be your papa, you for not dey breathe. If not be your papa, you for not know wetin be life. If not be your papa, you for not dey Europe. Because if they not born you, you don't enter Europe now. More talk truth. He not train you, we know. But to say not put that thing for your mama body, he not born you now. He abandon you, we know. But if you're not there yet today, come the talk say my papa not train me. For him to even bring you come life, now good thing he do. I lie? No, I don't lie. Give and make it shop, because he bring you come the life. Now he make you the talk. Your papa not train you now. Now, you don't get money. Give your papa make it shop. Make it eat your money. Because your pikin see they come. We go see do you the same thing. And the way papa born you, if you don't give your mama belly, not go born you now. Forget say you abandon your mama. Forget say you throw your mama. You carry your mama because of another woman. You carry your mama. You drive your mama come on because of another woman. You drive your no, sister, brother, not do that thing. Lie. Give her food, make it chop. Because if you not born you, you not go come like. Give her food, make it mind the judge and say, yeah, see wait. Upon I do this pikin rich, this pikin still remember me. Abba, that prayer then, where be saying be forget. He pass for corner. You go come pack the prayer, come out. God they bless you. Although that's how they say, "Ma beg you now." Money ma coco or he doji Mary. You're surprised. The one where papa your pay school fees for, the one where papa your do everything for. You know my papa oh. Now you where papa abandon. Now I go call remember papa tomorrow. It they be like that. It they happen to everybody. Most of us will even did the Euro country say papa not train most of us now. But that will not mean say tomorrow me will not give papa money. That will not mean say me will abandon papa. If that papa will not train, they call you say papa enemy die. You will not train papa, your man, you not go ever they happy you. You to come remember say to say I know, I forgive papa those kind of things. It to say I know. The time papa they call me, I forgive her. Your man must surely judge you. The best thing, give your papa what he wants. I may greet you pass happy. Give your good evening, Nelly. Nelly Bello, good evening. Now, give your papa wetin you want. Give am wetin you want. Give am wetin you dey find. Even though papa not train you, give am. Because if he not train you, they can't say papa enemy die tomorrow. Sister, he go pay you rich bone. That time you come, for you to come to keep that regret, is it to say I know. Thank you. For you to come to keep that regret, it to say I know, just do one for him. Then you can't get mad to say, I don't know, but my woman, he not do for me, but I do for him. He go let you the talk for public. He go let you the talk come out. They go call you, they say, I don't know, ragbon, or wune, or pon, or makoke, or pon, he not train now, but he still do for him. Forget say papa not train. Some mama say they will not see the train picking up, but no matter what, me will not ignore them. Because they don't they hold. With the say that generation time, this new generation, another new generation see they come. That time will come and say that that time will not see the good, don't see the old. Who will come see they say that if you do for ground now you go see it tomorrow. If you not this do for ground, you not go see it tomorrow. If you not train your own now, you not go see them. They not go give you tomorrow. So the best thing we will see the console. We will see this one my pikin. Nowadays I not believe say person still they abandon pikin again. Say I go just abandon the mama. No, you know, I not just say they would. It remains more now. You will be woman where they report. Because they give pikin to the men. If they say that the men go fit train and the men they work, because they give you pikin. It's small, you remain. So the best thing, men will come together. Not beat your husband, mama. Now beg I did. Not do what if your husband mama can't greet you for us, anything where you get, let her know say no. If you still they give, even the best one self. Now you suppose give. So you're there, they just see your husband, mama. They go they carry the food where they go they add for it. They cook for their husband, mama. Make their husband, mama eat. You say make that woman they go make they happy. You not go they happy. Man go beat her. But if your mama come out, you pack everything where they you will give her. But your husband, mama, you they carry everything they had. But now you born the man where also the money come. I beg. May would they see the respect them. May we see the respect them. This message I not go just let her long. So by God's grace, I get many here you fool. Because the other day many people say I too say. So God will bless you and sit and say give me ear. May they respect our husband, mama, very, very important. Mother-in-law, father-in-law. We need to respect them. Give them what they want. Whether they train us, they not train us. Especially husband, mama, father-in-law. Make we the respect them. It's very, very, very important. Give husband, mama what you want. In case of tomorrow, pikin go still give you what you want. If you not do your husband, mama well, pikin no go do you well. So now good evening, happy new month to everybody, my followers. God go bless you now. This month of August, as he hard, which you not go hard, which we una day. We go see December, we go do it together. We go enter 2022 by God's grace. Now God get power. Nobody they die, nobody they sick. We not go ever hear bad news, and we not go ever hear bad news. Anything we not go they take feed, not go ever hard una. If na pikin you they find, God will give you. Maybe mama twins and newborn twins. If na twins you they find, God will give you anything where you define for this life where you come. As soon as they give me ear, make I take the talk put. God will bless. And I really appreciate everything una they do. Thank you. And people wait till they call me, they give me advice. Thank you very, very much. Auntie Vivi, thank you very, very much. Advice when they call me, this message me. God will bless you. I really appreciate anything we una come put her. It must surely better for us. This white man country now una see the many way they here. Me begin go say, oh yeah, we go do gbebo me uko. Wait una come find. Wait till carry una come here. You not go ever hard una to get in Jesus' name. If you see the Africa, anything where you see they do, not go ever hard you. In Jesus' name. Anything we una put hand, it go. If na business una put hand, it go better for una. My follower, my subscriber for YouTube, my YouTube channel, na Mommy Stella TV. It don't they grow small, but God will bless you. How gonna take press on that Mommy Stella TV. Na better thing go they break off for una. Una see where they follow me, where they like, where they share. Una they give me joy and happiness not will ever cease for una house in Jesus' name. Happy new month, August. We'll finish and we must enter December 2022. We'll do it together in Jesus' name. Thank you very, very much. I love you all.